Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about Arrow-Debreu model. This model is core of a general equilibrium and study how market system can become completely viable, efficient and balanced. What do you mean by general equilibrium? It studies how an entire economy with million of different product, shopper and all can find perfect balance at exact same time. What do you mean by completely viable? Completely viable means this model gives mathematical proof it can possible for market system to exist where price is natural settled so that businesses can stay open and people can buy what they need. Big goal of this model to studies about how commodities are allocated between different nations and individuals through simultaneously market exchange at single point in time. That means you can trade for everything at exact same time. For example, at exact same time you can buy apples, oranges, mobile, car. Creator of this model are Kenneth Arrow and Gerard Debreu in 1950. And this model means because of this model they receive Nobel Prize in economics. This model talks about three fundamental unit: commodities, consumer and firms. First of all, one by one we discuss about these units. Commodity. Commodity is real measurable item or service which people are agreed to buy or sell. For example, wheat, electricity. Vector representation, just like your shopping list. If an economy has total L different type of commodities, we will list them together in big mathematical list which is called a vector. It is just like a master scorecard which is tracking everything at once. This model talks about four pillars of commodities: physical characteristic like steel versus oil, geographical location where it can available, temporal location at what time it can available and under which condition it can deliver. For example, is it deliver in raining season or not? Consumer. There are fixed number of shoppers represented by 1 to H. We use a small h in order to point out single individual. Consumption plan. Each shopper create a master grocery list based on three rules. Complete. That means they can clearly decide among two baskets of goods. Transitivity. Their behavior is consistent. If they prefer A over B, B over C, then automatically they prefer A over C. Continuous. Their tastes and preferences will not frequently change. Initial endowment. Every shopper walk in market already own basic bundle of goods. That means we don't include individuals who own nothing. As we know, whenever customer buy anything, eventually it will become profit of business. So every shopper has specific share of firm profit. When you add all this share, it will become equal to exactly become equal to 100. Firms. There are fixed number of firms or businesses represented by 1 to J. We use small j in order to point out single firm. Production plan. Each firm has clear blueprint what they can create with this given technology. And negative number we use in order to represent input like raw material, labor hours and electricity because these are cost of firm. And we use positive number in order to represent a final output. Key mathematical and logical assumptions. Enunciation. Consumer always prefer little more. They will never satisfy 100%. Convexity. People prefer a balanced mix rather than extreme. For example, you will prefer mix of food and cloth rather than 10,000 cloth and 0 food, no externality. Firms and consumer do not care about who is producing or who is consuming. That means there is no external side effect like pollution. This model is core of general equilibrium. Ultimate balancing at where entire economy runs perfectly at same time. This state will be called absolute market harmony and mathematical we can represent like this. X bar H represent ideal final consumption bundle and Y bar J represent ideal final production plan and P bar represent perfect set of equilibrium price. What will be happen in general equilibrium? Firms are producing product which giving them highest maximum profit. Consumer also happy because consumer are buying product means consumer are buying combination which give them maximum satisfaction, maximum happiness. Market also in perfect balance because total demand perfectly matches with the total supply. There is no wastage, no leftover. So mathematically this is our final equation. This part represent total amount of consumption, means this part represent total demand which is equal to total supply. This represent initial endowment, we have already discussed, and this represent production, and this whole represent total supply. So total demand equal to total supply, or you can say that total demand perfectly matches with the total supply across entire economy. This model also prove fundamental theorems of welfare. First, welfare theorem. This model is core of general equilibrium. Any general competitive equilibrium automatically called Pareto optimal. That means it is impossible to make one person better without making someone else worse off. Second, welfare theorem. Any Pareto optimal can convert into competitive market equilibrium if government intervene. That means if government reallocate initial endowment, if government reallocate initial wealth by imposing taxes on rich and giving subsidy to poor, then any Pareto optimal can convert into competitive market equilibrium. Criticism. Myth of perfect information. This model assumes everyone know about everything, but in reality this is not possible. According to this model, all trading happens simultaneously through barter system. But in real life, in modern world, money exists. Ignore transactional cost. According to this model, people make their decision for entire life in one day, but this is not possible. They make their decision slowly, and second thing, their decision change. One day they think something, but other day they think something else. And this model based on perfect competition, but in reality perfect competition do not exist or rarely exist. So this is all about today's video. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.